Welcome everyone. Today, we embark on a captivating journey through the history and evolution of UI and UX design. So, first, we will define the UI and UX design. So, first is the UI design. So, basically, UI design is also called as user interface design that focus on the visual, kung ano yung nakikita natin, kung how those elements interactive with each other of a product to create uh, visually appealing para sa atin na mga interfaces. While the UX design focuses on creating a seamless and meaningful user experience by understanding what are the user needs, conducting research, and designing intuitive interfaces. When we say about intuitive, madali po siyang intindihin. That's the perfect that is the definition of intuitive. So next is uh, we will discuss from ancient origins to cutting edge technologies. We'll explore how this design has shaped our interactions with the world around us. So, uh, get ready to be inspired and gain deeper understandings of the process to continue to shape the interfaces we use every day. So first is we gonna dig to the 4000 BC. 4000 BC, ancient Egyptians used hieroglyphics. This is a form of communication. Ito yung ginagamit nila to communicate with other people or to communicate for communication. Gumagamit sila ng mga symbols and even yung mga visuals, mga nakikita natin sa mga museum natin, mga museum na may mga symbols and visuals na nakaukit sa bato or something like that. So next is 3000 BC. The Indus Valley Civilization develops a writing system with standardized symbols demonstrating early understanding of user needs and information organization. Next is the 5th century BC. Greeks apply ergonomic principle to tool design, prioritizing user comfort and efficiency. Ah, while the term UI and UX were not coined until much later, the seeds of user-centered design were sown millennia ago. Ancient civilization experimented with visual communication, information organization, or ergonomics, laying the foundation for future and advancements. Uh, in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell, he is the one who invents telephone, introducing a new interfaces para magkaroon tayo ng uh, verbal communication. When we say about verbal communication is through we can speak to for communication. Meron na siyang device, bali nakapag-design na sila ng device which is the telephone for verbal communication. The next one is in 1888, the first typewriter na with a visible keyboard layout. Meron na siyang nakikita kang mga ah, design para maging efficient and user-friendly yung keyboard na yan. So, in 19,000s, industrial design emphasizes user comfort and safety, focusing on intuitive physical interactions with machine. Yan, sinasabi ko kanina is about the intuitive physical interactions. Madaling intindihin for about the physical interactions with the machines. The Industrial Revolutions mark a significant shift towards user-centered design. Innovations like telephone and typewriter demanded interfaces were accessible and functional, paving the way for future UI advancements. So, for in this modern era, hindi na bago sa atin yung word na advancements because of the help of the technology. There is a lot of advancements na nakikita natin around us. So, we will dig again. We will dig another history. In 1940s, early computers utilized CLI. Ano ba yung CLI? It is a command line interface na ginagamit siya for interactions as a user and the machine. So, basically, ginagamit siya hindi using a graphical user interface kasi ginagamit natin today, most of the Windows is graphical user interface. But a command line interface, from the word command, gumagamit pa lang po siya ng text commands to gumagamit tayo ng text commands or gumagamit tayo as a user of that computer na i-instruct natin kung ano yung gagawin ng isang computer. So, that is the design that they developed during 1940s. In 1960s, Douglas Engelbart introduced the first mouse. Siya naman yung nag-introduce ng first mouse, which offers a more intuitive and interactive way to navigate computer systems. Like what I said a while ago, about the graphical user interface, meron na po siyang point and click. It's the help of the mouse. That is an example of the functionality of the mouse. 1970s, Xerox Alto personal computer features a bitmap GUI with Windows. Ito na yung sinasabi kong GUI or Graphical User Interface na meron na siyang mga icons and menus kang nakikita, making a major leap in user friendliness. So, uh, speaker notes. The arrival of computers presented a new design challenge. CLIs were difficult to learn and use. Yes, it's really. Kasi there's a lot of commands for you to learn before you interact with the machine. So the invention of the mouse and the development of the early GUIs were crucial steps towards making computers more approachable, more user-friendly for us. Kasi gumagamit for just point and click, ipo-point mo lang, then click mo na, it's it is really really user friendly. So next is the 1984. Yung Apple Macintosh, alam naman natin yung Apple is popularized the GUI, making computers more accessible and user-friendly with visual elements and intuitive interactions. May mga nakikita ka na nga, mga pwede mo na makikita doon. Hindi lang kailangan mo pang i-text commands para lang mag-instruct or gawin ng computer yung i-instruct mo. So, in 1985, Microsoft Windows enters the market, future solidifying the GUI as the dominant user interface design. As of now, Windows is still Microsoft Windows is still one of the most used as operating system na may GUI. For everything, basta pabili tayo, merong mga Windows na naka-intact na as our operating system kasi which is also has a GUI. So, 1990s, GUIs continues to evolve with increased focus on usability, aesthetics, and information architecture. Of course, yeah. Kasi Microsoft Windows is, ngayon, may bago ulit sila is Windows Microsoft 11 and something ata na may nagbabalak din sila for another Windows 12, I think. So, the GUI revolutionized human-computer interactions. Apple's Macintosh and Microsoft Windows made computer accessible to broader audience. So, paving the way for widespread adoption of technology. This era emphasizes reusability in aesthetics and information architecture, so laying the foundation for modern UI principles. So, the birth of user experience design beyond the interface. So, 1995, uh, the term user experience, shifting the focus from just interfaces to the holistic user journey, was coined by Donald Norman in 1990s to 2000s. U, UX designs emerges as a distinct discipline, emphasizing user research, empathy, and iterative design process. from 2000 onwards and until now, mobile devices and the internet revolutionized UI and UX designs, demanding new approaches for smaller screen and touch interactions. Yun nga, ang dami na nating nakikitang mga bago sa mata na manggaganda, ah, and due to innovations and advancement of technology, ang dami na siyang nagbabago, ang dami na nagle-level up na talaga yung technology about not just only the technology but the UI and the UX design of something of a certain product. So that's all. Thank you, and I hope that I shared the best of my knowledge. Thank you.